Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So in today's video, as you all have seen in the title and thumbnail, it's a Saturday in my life. That is, last Saturday was like a DIY day for me. It was like completely DIY. So yeah, I thought let me record it and share it with you all. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin. So to start with, in the morning I woke up late, obviously because it was my off day. So I woke up late and yes, I freshened up and had breakfast. Then it was like already late, so almost first half of the day was like almost done. And coming to the second half, that is in the evening, I went to uh, one of mom's friend's house, and there she used to do tailoring before, so she loves making all these things. So she had made few ribbon bows and kept it ready. So she was like, she wanted to stick it to the clips, small tic tac clips and also alligator clips, but she didn't understand how to use a glue gun, so she was waiting for me. So she had told me the previous day itself that tomorrow you come here. So I went to her house and I sat and stuck all the bows, and she had made some nice designs, so I stuck all of it to clips what she had bought, as you can see in the picture on the screen. So all these were made by her, and I stuck it to the clips. Next, after that, she asked me to teach some craft for her granddaughters. They had come down to her place, so, and also one of their friend had come, so she told me to teach them something. So I was like, okay, I have never done this before, but okay, I'll do it. So as you all can see now, after this you'll see a video of me teaching them. So you'll see that and I'll get back to you. So as you all saw now, this I taught them two like origami cards. I'll in the next video now coming clip you'll see what I taught them. So yes, let's go. So as you can see here on the screen, I taught them how to make this box card and also this origami pull card. So they like both of it, they really love making it. And after that they gave me this as a return gift for teaching them craft. I didn't want to take money, so they were like, they wanted to give me something, so they gave me this. And then later on I came home and I did a DIY live stream. As you can see, this is what I made in the live stream, and this is how it came out. Then I stuck a mirror bead, I can say, whatever it is, mirror to this at the center, as you can see, and I stuck this whole bow to a alligator clip as a gift for my friend. So I hope you'll like this idea as well. Anyways, you can see the live stream to see how I made it. So yes, this was all for that day. It was completely DIY for me. So yes, I hope you like this short vlog. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.